All right, guys, I had a guy tell me, he said, man, I don't understand. You be traveling, you be going all out there. Man, that ain't even worth it. And I'm just sitting here thinking to myself, man, you don't understand how we making money. You don't understand what I'm doing. And it's not for somebody that's not in my circle or my spirit to understand. I understand that plumbers make money, but I don't understand exactly how they make money, as far as if they have warranty or if they do COD or if they have advertising. I don't know exactly how they make money. I know they make money, but I don't know exactly how it happens. And that's the same with appliance repair. People don't know exactly how we make money with warranty companies, and that enables us to travel here and there. But if you want the game, get with my mentor, Miss Ward, and she can give you the game.